Hello everyone, my voice is gone, so using AI voice for now. Welcome to this exciting video about creating stunning 3D fractal landscapes using Perlin noise in Python. In the next couple of minutes, we'll dive into the world of Perlin noise, explore its role in procedural generation, and learn how to harness its power to create mesmerizing virtual terrains. At the heart of our fractal landscape lies Perlin noise, a mathematical algorithm that generates smooth and natural-looking patterns. Developed by Ken Perlin, this type of gradient noise is widely used in computer graphics for creating realistic textures, landscapes, and animations. By adjusting parameters like octaves, persistence, and linearity, we can control the level of detail and complexity in our generated noise, allowing us to sculpt the perfect terrain. With Perlin noise as our foundation, let's see how we can generate a fractal landscape in Python. We start by creating a 2D array of noise values, where each value represents the height of a specific point in the landscape. By carefully mapping these values to colors and shading, we can render the landscape in 3D using rectangles or polygons. The result is a breathtaking vista of mountains, valleys, and plateaus, all created procedurally with the magic of Perlin noise. To truly appreciate the beauty of our fractal landscape, we need to make it interactive. By implementing user controls for navigation and zooming, we allow viewers to explore the terrain seamlessly, soar over the landscape with a bird's eye view, or dive into the intricate details of a particular region. A mini-map provides a constant sense of orientation and scale, ensuring that you never lose your way in this vast virtual world. The possibilities for customization are endless, from adjusting color palettes to experimenting with different rendering techniques, letting your creativity run wild. As we conclude our journey into the realm of 3D fractal landscapes, I hope you've gained a newfound appreciation for the power and versatility of Perlin noise. By combining mathematical algorithms with artistic vision, we can create stunning virtual environments that captivate the imagination. So go ahead, dive into the code, experiment with different parameters, and let your creativity soar. The world of procedural generation awaits. Thank you for joining me on this exciting adventure. Until next time, happy coding.